This is the story of Ellie, a young woman from Wind Whistle, a small town nestled in the mountains. Life hadn't been easy for her. She grew up in poverty and faced her share of loss. But Ellie had a strength in her heart that no storm could shake. When the storm hit, it left destruction in its wake. Families lost their homes, roads were washed away, and the lighthouse, their guide through the dark, stood silent. Ellie could have stayed safe, but she couldn't ignore the cries of her neighbors. She rallied her town, turning the church into a relief center. She walked for miles, gathering food, water, and clothes. Every step was a fight against the storm, but Ellie's determination shone brighter than the lightning. One night, she heard about an elderly couple stranded on their farm. The road was gone, and no one could reach them. So, Ellie climbed that hill alone, through the rain, carrying nothing but a lantern filled with fireflies to light her way. Ellie's courage inspired a movement. Her neighbors, once defeated, found strength in her example. Together, they rebuilt their town stronger than before. And Ellie? She reminded them all that even in the darkest storm, a single light can guide the way. Sometimes, it takes just one person to remind us that hope is never lost. Be the light in someone's storm.